you trying to view subtle signal detail with your oscilloscope? The MXO3 oscilloscope utilizes a 12-bit ADC, which offers 16 times more vertical resolution than 8-bit ADCs, and it's available at all sample rates. You can also turn on HD mode to reduce noise and increase vertical resolutions of up to 18 bits. This helps you see more small signal detail, such as these high-frequency deviations riding on the slower sine wave. Let's try it out. Here, we have a relatively clean signal, but when zoomed in, you can see that there is some modulation, but by turning on HD mode, you can easily see the AM modulation. Combined with the MXO's impressive digital trigger capabilities, HD mode allows you to precisely trigger on tiny signal details, which have an amplitude of just a tiny fraction of a vertical division. Check out an MXO oscilloscope in your lab and see the difference.